This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Reese. Stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Chalet, A-rated school district, beautifully redone 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Located within an A-rated school district. Features: open floor plan, spacious layout featuring a living room, family room, dining area, both with double doors leading outside and a designated bar area with a refrigerator, perfect for entertaining. Split bedrooms, enjoy privacy and comfort with a master suite separate from the other 2 bedrooms. Room for RV and back with room on site as well. Washer and dryer located in overside garage. Driveway has room for 6 cars. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Reese at 561-981-9400.